Hello guys, welcome to Anonymous Tech. Today I am going to tell you how to fix iTunes mobile device DLL error. Many people are commenting on my video the tools are not working. This is the common error Itunemobiledevice.dll error which occurs on any tool. So you have to fix it by your own self. Just copy a DLL file to your iTunes directory. I will show you how to fix it. Here I already uploaded in my previous video all the links of tools. These are all the tools which are I uploaded, and when this tools are not working and this error occurs, an unreal expectation has assumed in your application, and the error, as you can see, unable to load DLL iTunes device.dll file. This file is missing from iTunes directory. You have to copy the file into iTunes directory. I will show you how to fix it. It's very common error. You have to fix by your own self. Just I open the iTunes device.dll fix error, and here you can see the instructions how to fix it. Just copy the iTunes device mobile device.dll this path to program common files Apple mobile device support. So you don't have to go see directory C drive and mobile files, then just copy it and here you can paste it and click enter. Here you can see this is the directory where you have to copy the DLL file. Just back and copy the DLL file and then forward. And then again come to this directory and just copy it, paste it. I already pasted, so I replace it. As I replace it, I again open a tool and we'll see is it work or not. Go to bypass tool and IP snow tool and I open it. Its new version is uploaded. That's why I use another tool to open it. I activation R3 version 2.3. And this is also a common error if it occurs new version, so you have to download the new version of any tool. These are the common errors which can be solved by your own self. XgRiNDA version 2.3. I'll open it. And here you can see it is working. Continue. Just click on continue. It's working. I activation R3. Just I open it. Here you can see the I activation R3 is working without any error. You just have to copy the DLL file into the directory. I will upload the files in the description. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe it.